All right, this is Bell Tower Shops in the early morning. We're here for Fort Myers Veg Fest every year. And here's our trailer, all of our equipment. We are setting up. So this is gonna be the event space. We got seats set up. Set up the big video wall, 6 foot tall by 12 feet wide. Be a lot of fun. Ready?
I'm ready.
Check out all the food vendors.
I flag it in yellow, and then I write the common reasons why that marker might be off.
You know, so just to audience well. So and all this was because the doctor told me that, and I went home and I typed in on the computer, and I went on YouTube, I think it was, or Google, how to control diabetes type 2. Not nobody else's. There's many things that we can look up to, we can learn, but your health is your responsibility. Movement. That in 2013, I was the only vegan in my face.
I think Mommy's been trying a few times, and I know we never turned.
In this place, it's more of a matter of greed. As Mahatma Gandhi said, there's enough for everyone's need. Improvement that we make when we move to a plant-based way of eating. This is what I want to recommend. We go forth from this veg fest, and we just tell people this basic bit of good news. Just say, I just discovered that the only reason I was eating meat and dairy products and eggs all of these years that I was doing it was because I was just following orders. And now I'm not doing it anymore, and it's fantastic. In our society right now, we're experiencing
for a lot fewer calories. And some of you right now might be wondering, and the answer is absolutely yes, because not all carbs are created equal.
So I'm talking about extracted oils here. They're highly refined, they're stripped of any nutrition.
And health educator, she's also
mainstream running community. Why? Just so I can be out there to combat these myths. There are tons of apps that you can track. Hey, this morning, and he goes, these are great. Why? We can't make crazy 10 and 20.
McDougall advanced study, we wrote the book Catching Fire, talks about when we cook food.
So,
supportive of plant food. Animals, my little dog over there, you ought to see him eat. He eats like this. He doesn't chew his food, we chew our food. It's the son of the couple called, the two guys, Baskin and Robbins.
Earlier we talked about some activism, so if you can stick around for 5 more minutes, we're going to show you a video.
This morning there wasn't anyone parked out there. Now everybody's here for dinner. 10 minutes, you have the whole trailer unloaded.